Hey friends, it's Joe with joe.solar.com. I hope everybody is well. Just want to share a really nice text message that I got from one of my customers yesterday, thanking me for the solution that I was able to provide him. If you look at his Enphase app, which he screenshotted for me, his consumption and his production less than 1% off. That is the kind of detail and calculation that you can count on from me. If you're looking for my help, I'm here to help. If you'd like to see a breakdown of all the things that went into the calculations regarding Armando's project, please follow me for the longer form video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hope you are all well. So Armando came to me from another customer who had been my customer now for I think about 3 years, and like a lot of my customers, highly intelligent, fairly skeptical, as you should be, and he had a lot of moving parts in his equation. He had a pool that did not have a variable speed pool pump, and we talked about the benefits of replacing that. If I'm not mistaken, there was also an older central AC system involved with that, and we also had to take that in consideration. So, not only are you trying to accurate calculations and simulations on how much your solar output will produce, which by the way takes some really nice software to do that, but then you have to take in consideration, okay, if I'm replacing this pool pump with this pool pump, what is the expected savings based on use? Same thing with the AC unit, and then factor in other things. Certain people, not necessarily Armando, but when I'm doing these calculations, what are their habits? If in Florida we have a lot of snowbirds, I'm not here for 4 months out of the year or more. So it's not just like you can plug in a standard equation. What's the efficiency of the air conditioner? These are all the things that I had to take in consideration when coming up with Armando's solution. Again, at over a 99% accuracy rate. This is what good software and this is what a lot of know-how and doing this for a long time can provide. I'm here to help. If you would like these kind of results, all you got to do is pick up the phone, give me a call, send me an email, 321-947-5208, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's probably about 80 videos on there now that are going to help you navigate this mess, and you may not even need my help. If you don't live in Florida, maybe you learned something and can help you somewhere else. Perfect. If you live in Florida, again, I can install anywhere in the state, commercial, residential, and if you're looking for somebody that's got a track record of trust, I'm here for you. You guys take care.